Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In today's video, I would like to discuss basic function that prints a message. So here is my main public class that I have here, and there I have the call of a function that says say hello. So it's a name of a function that I defined below. So when I want to define this function, I simply write down this keyword public static void. For the moment, just imagine that this is what we need to write for a function. Then we are going to discuss various types of functions that have different keywords there. So public static void and then the name of the function. We can name it whatever we want. And because this function is a basic function and takes no parameter, there is nothing to be inside the parentheses here. Okay, and so nothing is there, it's empty. Then this function, whenever it is called, it is going to basically execute this message: system out println hello world. So hello world is going to be printed using the system out println. So when I run the code, you see that this hello world is being printed in the output. So what if I call the function twice? So when I write down say hello one more time and I run the code, we see hello world 2 times. Okay, so instead of printing these things like several times, instead of writing the system out println message 2 times, I simply call the function 2 times. So this function is going to be called 2 times, then this line is going to be executed 2 times. So this is why actually we have functions in programming, because when we want to perform a repetitive tasks, we need to put it inside a function. Therefore, whenever we call the function, this function is going to execute the repetitive task instead of just repeating ourselves in the main part of the code, which is going to reduce the readability of our code. Thank you for watching.